At ngayon po, dadako na po tayo sa pinakahihintay ni Bren. Bren, you may now kiss your wife.
Pinaka-inaabangan, bukod dun sa wedding mismo, yung pag-announce na husband and wife na, yung sa reception, kasi yun na, enjoy na, fun party na.
It's about time to finally welcome the happiest couple on the hour. Make some noise for our very own Mr. and Mrs. Cruz.
Well, nung una, kaya ko siya napansin. Nakakatawa kasi siya, joke ng joke, pero hindi naman siya yung bida-bida na maingay. Pero nakakatawa siya pag nag-joke. Ewan ko, natutuwa lang ako pag magkasama kami.
Oo, kuya. Siyempre yung surprise yan, kahit ako masusurprise yan. Hindi mo wala.
Dahil ikakasal na siya ngayon, siyempre mag-iiba na yung level of maturity niya, di ba? So,
Congratulations, anak. Love you.
UST, classmates kami.
Simula nung college.
Tapos nag-break kami.
Nag-break kayo?
Matagal, mga 8 years.
One of the biggest regrets I had was not being able to save our relationship way back in college.
Every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you.
I even remember how the letter to my future self that I wrote in our memory capsule activity in our college retreat was all about how regretful I was back then on losing you. That I was too selfish and immature, that I've ended up hurting you so much, that I was too hung up on my what-ifs to realize that I should have focused on taking care of us. And in the latter part of that letter, my younger self asked me to promise. Kung mabibigyan tayo uli ng chance na makasama uli si Casey, wag mo na siyang papakawalan.
May awa ang Diyos. Ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat, love. The greatest is love. Lagi niyong tatandaan, Bren and Casey, bago pa kayo magkita, bago pa kayo magkakilala, bago pa kayo magmahalan, una kayong minahal ng Diyos. Una kayong minahal ng Diyos.
To be honest, I thought God didn't see me as someone deserving to have a chance to be with you again. And I've already accepted that fact when you went on with a new relationship. Thought ka na nga kita eh. But who would have thought that these were all part of God's plan for us? He knew we were really the ones for each other. And He made sure that we realized that. Out of the thousands of prayers I've asked Him, you are the best one that He answered for me.
Dear Yobo, finally we're here. Who would have known that after around 8 years of going on our own separate ways, we would meet again and now decide to spend the rest of our lives together. I'm so grateful to God that He let our paths cross again. Salamat dahil bigla mo akong chinat out of nowhere. As we begin this incredible lifelong journey, I promise to always love you no matter what. I will always support you as you strive to achieve your goals, and I promise to share with you my hopes and my dreams as we build our lives together. I love you so much.
I was afraid of the dark till I found my spot. You will open to
I vow to respect you for who you are, to encourage you to pursue your dreams, and to always see the best in you. I promise to laugh with you, to comfort you, and to grow alongside you as we navigate this beautiful adventure called marriage. And as I've promised to my younger self, hindi na kita papakawalan. I love you.
with you.